Welcome, I'm from ZTE Nubia Music, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So, when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with the same screen that you can see on my end, where you get to choose your desired language from the list right here. Now I'll be sticking with English, and then we can select Get Started. Next, it's going to look for a SIM card. Now, you don't need to insert a SIM card if you don't want to right now. If you choose to skip this and also skip this as well, you won't have the ability to log into your Google account, access the backups, and additionally date and time won't be set automatically. Now this all can be changed later on. For the simplicity, I will be skipping this. Oh, and there we go, we have the pop-up right here as well about what I just mentioned. Now next we have Google services like location scanning and sending user and diagnostic data. You can turn those off, but it's from Google, so let's be honest, it's probably not gonna change much. Moving on, we have Welcome to Daily Wallpaper. So this is just some random wallpaper that will be changing based on the name, I presume daily. If you want this, you can obviously accept it. If you don't, just hit and go to the next page. Then we have Privacy Policy. You can tap on the blue text to read exactly what you're agreeing to. But at the end of the day, you need to press agree. Parent control, again, agree. Device security, here you can select some kind of screen lock, that'd be fingerprint, face recognition, and PIN, pattern, or password. Now, when you're planning to use any of the biometrics, meaning fingerprint or face recognition, you will be required to select a physical way of unlocking the device, as biometrics aren't 100% reliable. So in the times where it fails you and you can't unlock the device, that would leave you with something like a PIN, pattern, or password. And alternatively, you don't need to protect your device at all, though I wouldn't recommend that. So for people that don't want to have any kind of screen lock, you can just select skip. Next we have system navigation, and we have two methods. We have gestures and buttons. Choose whichever one you want. I like gestures, which are set by default, so that's pretty nice. And we can go to the next page and get started. And this will take us to our home screen. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.